Hello! Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay April 3, unang Lunes ng Abril at panibagong buwan na naman po tayo. At simula na po ng Semana Santa at wala po tayong trading sa Huwebes, Biyernes at Lunes. So long weekend po tayo. No? So 3 araw lang po tayo papasok this week. Dahil ang April 10 ay dineclare po na special holiday o minove yung Bataan Day, araw ng kagitingan to Monday. So, long weekend po tayo. Ako po si Benji Chodoro. Ang ating special report or ang ating balita ay isang special report mula sa MacroAsia. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking ipa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, April 3, 2023 dito lamang sa the stock market today. Okay, ang ating headlines ay galing po ng BDOSEC. Bank lending grew 10% in February 2023. Ali expands Iloilo footprint with 2 office buildings. And then World Bank lowers Philippine growth forecast. Mac returns to profitability in 2022. Ito po yung ating special report. And then MPI Mitsui still in talks for strategic partnership. Ano ba nangyayari kay MPI? Tumataas ba? 370 pa rin. Okay. Tunghayan po natin ang ating special report mula po sa MacroAsia. Meron po siyang maintained buy with a lower target price, higher cost curbing profits, recovery remains intact. So yung fourth quarter earnings po niya is down 47% and missing expectations. Rebounding flight servicing operations, non-airline segments to expand further. And the action valuation is a maintained buy, target price lowered to 630. So dati po ang kanyang presyo ay 650, slightly lower to 630. And with a closing price last Friday of 488, there's an implied upside of 29.1%. So yan po si MacroAsia. And tingnan po natin yung commentary. Mac's full year 22 results missed estimates due to lower than expected share in earnings from Lufthansa Technik Philippines and higher than expected direct costs. We lower our 23 forecast earnings by 4% and 7% respectively and cut our SOTP sum of the parts based target price as we incorporate the net effect of better revenues following increased flight servicing and non-airline operations, lower GP margin forecast on higher direct cost and lower share of earnings from LTP. Nonetheless, we keep our buy rating on Mac with our new target price implying substantial potential upside of about 29%. So mamaya po ay tingnan din po natin si Mac, si MPI at si Ali. And then let's look at one bank siguro si BDO, no? Okay, so let's take a look at your comments. And sabi po ni Frank Nifares, thanks po. Thank you po, Frank. And then we also have Peter Yu. Sabi niya, tama po yung 8% plus lang dividend ni GMA. Yes, more or less po. Yun po ang dividend yield po niya At kung silipin po natin si GMA, kasi maaga pa po it's just GMA 7. It's just 10:47 in the morning, ano? So, up po siya ng 12 centavos, although there is still this red engulfing candlestick. At yung dividend po niya is 1 peso 10 centavos, and the calculated dividend rate is 8.37. But my calculation is 8.2 lang net of withholding, net of taxes po ito. So more or less tama po yung 8%, Peter. Okay, silipin po natin ang index. Ngayon po ay 1048, down po siya ng 11.96. No, it's up 11.96 pero red candlestick po siya. The reason for that is that it opened lower. No? It opened higher rather, but the opening price or the price now is lower than the opening price, kaya po red po ito. But all in all, up pa rin po yung 1196 points. Now let's take a look at the most active stocks. The most active is MONDE, down 8.66%, but Ali is up 2.83 and JGS is 5.22% up. So yun po yung top 3 most active stocks. And tingnan natin yung gainers, the top gainer. One of them is AEV, no? 5.58%. And then we have Merrimart at 3.39%. So bumaba naman ang CNPF. Bloom is 3.57% down. TEL is 5.92% down. Okay, so we'll be back later as the market closes, so don't go away. Alright, so the PSE index gained 30.31 points, pero malayo pa ito sa recovery niya, no? Dahil last Friday, ito ay bumaba ng 145 points or 2.18%. Ngayon ay 0.47 lang. So it's just a small recovery, no? Meanwhile, yung kanyang trend ay bearish po. Dahil nasa ilalim pa po yung kanyang yung index ay nasa ilalim pa po ng ating mga moving averages. Ngayon, sa market activity, 94 companies ang bumaba, 88 ang umabante, 56 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index bahagyang umakyat din, 0.14%. Samantala, mixed naman po ang ating mga sectoral indices, ano? Pero mas marami pong bumaba. Financials, industrials, mining, at services ay bumaba. Samantalang ang holding companies at properties ay umakyat. So, ang holding companies at properties po ay about 1.79% ang akyat, ang properties ay 1.26 naman. Kaya po, dahil sa mas malaki ang akyat o yung green kesa dun sa pula, ay halos nag-cancel out. So, sumutotal ay umakyat ng bahagya ang ating index. Most active stock po ay MONDE na bumaba ng 8.26%, followed by SM at TEL. Ang Ali ay pang-apat, pero ito po ay umabante na 3.40%. So tingnan po natin ang mga sumusunod na stocks. Ano po? Okay, tingnan po natin si MAC, Metro Pacific, Ali, MONDE at BDO. Yan po. 5 po ang titingnan natin. So, okay, MAC muna tayo. MacroAsia. Okay, it's down, ano? It's down and still bearish, although mas mataas po yung kanyang candlestick ngayon dahil nagsimula po siya ng opening price na 495, which is higher than the previous close. Pero ito ay bumaba na 4.88. In other words, flat po si MacroAsia. Meron po siyang dividendo, cash dividends of 5 centavos, Payment date is May 18, ex-date is April 18. So maliit lang po yung cash dividend rate. Pero yung report po natin kanina on MAC ay maintain buy pa rin po with a lower target price. So, samantala, ang support po ni MAC ay nandito, nasa 483. Samantalang, ang pinaka-resistance po niya, nasa 541. Okay, so, bearish to sideways po ang movement ni MAC. And then, Metro Pacific naman. Si Metro Pacific may talks na naman po, no? So, ito po ay may green candlestick, although it is in general ay trending downwards pa, no? Meron po siyang dividendo na 7.6 centavos per share or a cash dividend rate of 1.84%. Bibigay po ito sa April 13, ex-date natapos na po noong March 22. Pero, ang pinaka-support po niya, actually near support na po ito dahil ang pinaka-level po na support is nasa 358 no? Ang ganda kung dito ka nakabili sa March 24. Pinaka-support, dulo ng support niya. So, yan po, ang pinaka-latest natin kay Metro Pacific. Actually, here it touched the near oversold level, samantalang nag-overbought naman po dito noong February 14 at January 25. So, pangitain po yan na bababa po yung stock na nangyari naman po. Pero according to the news, MPI Mitsui still in talks for strategic partnership. So, possible entry to the listed infrastructure conglomerate. And one of the option is the listing, but there is no final decision yet. Yan. Si Ali naman, ang susunod. Ali, mukhang may recovery to eh. Ayan, no? Ang ganda bumili dito. Kasi very near support. Near support po yan. At ito po, nag-oversold na po siya dito eh. Yan, no March 13, actually, March 10, March 13, at yung last oversold niya is noong March 17. So, ngayon ay umaakyat po siya. Although merong red engulfing candlestick, hindi po magandang pangitain yan. Pero in times like this kasi, bumababa po yung stock dahil merong paakyat po yung rates eh. So, normally, pagka paakyat ang rates, interest rates ay bumababa po ang property stock. So, support is here at 26.45. Samantala, ang pinaka-nearest resistance po ni Ali nandito sa 29.42. Support and resistance, di po yan exact points. Area po siya. And then, MONDE. Naku, baba na naman si MONDE. Babang-baba na siya. Oversold na po ito. Yan. So, expect it to bounce back in the coming days. Ha? Maaring tomorrow. Pero, I think meron siyang recovery dito eh. Recovery in the last minute. Tingnan natin yung 15 minute. Yan, no? Meron siyang recovery in the last hour. No? So, yan po. Yan. So, the last 30 minutes o the last 15 minutes ay meron po siyang recovery. So, balik natin sa one day yan. So, in other words, ang MONDE ay nasa support level na po yan. Tingnan natin. Ay, hindi. Kasi ito yung pinakamababa niya eh. Pero ang pinaka-indicator lang natin na magbabounce back po yan ay itong RSI. Yun. Kasi oversold na po si MONDE. Ayan, no? Oversold na po siya. So, expect in the coming days na mag-oversold. This is the lowest level, ha? 8.65 reached today. 9 pesos na po siya. No? Umakyat ng 9 pesos or down 81 centavos as compared to the last closing price. So yan po, wala po tayong maipa-plot na support, pero ang resistance po, yung dating sa support na naging resistance ay nasa 11 and 9 centavos. Finally, BDO. Si BDO, yan. Red candlestick nga lang to, pero bahagya lang ang baba. So ito, no, yung pinaka may naligaw na candlestick po dito, pero marami po siyang gap down and gap up here. But nevertheless, yung ating trend ay paakyat pa rin. In general, paakyat pa rin po. Dahil yung black, blue, and orange indicators natin representing the long, medium, and short term ay nasa ilalim po. So, paakyat po ang stock na ito. Pero paunti-unti lang since the green engulfing candlestick in January here ay paakyat pa rin si BDO. Okay? So, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-3 ng Abril. Unang araw, unang Lunes ng Abril. Po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless and bye for now.